Hey,
Lance.
how's it going?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
This is the rolling spider that falls under the MiniDrones category. So it has a lot of the same technology as the larger drone. So you've got the high-speed camera on the bottom here, an ultrasound sensor. Right, you can clip those wheels on, and that gives you a different way of controlling the device. You can now drive it like a car, operate it up a wall, across a ceiling. So just want to go up a little bit? You got it. So this does not fly, it's a drivable robot. And you've got two different ways of driving it. You can drive it in steady mode, or with the wheels clipped in, you've got nervous mode. You've got a bunch of tricks and different things you can do this. We've got spinning animations, but one of the big unique things is this jumping leg. So that gives the product the ability to jump 2.5 feet in the air, onto pedestals, chairs, onto a table. Plus it has the front camera, a wide angle lens, and that will stream live video back to your control device.
Okay, so let's